What is the definition? Coordination chemistry. What is the introduction part? Coordination compound means what? Inorganic salt. Inorganic salt means they are found at two or more. So inorganic salt is a two or more simple compound will be found stable in the solid state and that solution state. What is that? Inorganic salt means two or more simple compounds in a stoichiometric ratio. In a stoichiometric ratio, they are stable in that solid state and that as well as in the solution. The variety of applications are there, just like that analytical, biomedicals, anti-corrosive, photographic, and metallurgical. And that most hardness of water used in the EDTA. Hardness of water used in EDTA. Next one is that EDTA used the treatment of lead poisoning. EDTA will be used the lead poisoning. Treatment of lead poisoning. And that the platinum compound inhibit the growth of tumors. Another application is that platinum compound inhibit the growth of tumors. And next one is a purification of water. Purification of water. Okay, next one, use the catalyst in many industrial purpose. Catalyst used in many industrial purpose. Many industrial purpose we have to be used that catalyst. And next one is that biomedicals, analytical, anti-corrosive, metallurgical. Okay, just we have to be widely variety of coordination compound present in that plants, minerals, animals. Example, chlorophyll. The chlorophyll means what? Chlorophyll is a magnesium complex. Chlorophyll means it is a magnesium. It's a magnesium complex present in that the chlorophyll is a magnesium complex present in the plant. Plants, hemoglobin is called hemoglobin. Shortly write hemoglobin present in that iron complex. Iron will be present in blood. Another one is that cryolite. What is that? Cryolite means cryolite is a mineral. Cryolite is a mineral. Which complex it is? A aluminum complex. Is a aluminum complex. Okay, type of. Now we have to study introduction part. For introduction part under, we have to study what is a coordination compound means. It is an inorganic salt. Inorganic salt means two or more simple compound are combining. They found that simple compound will be combined and a stoichiometric ratio will be formed. That is called as that coordination compound. They are stable in that solid state as well as in that solution. And the compound variety of applications we have to know that analytical, biomedical, photographic, and metallurgical. And hardness of water used in EDTA. EDTA is also used in lead poisoning, purification of waters and catalyst. And that chlorophyll, if in some complex will be absorbed in that this one will be absorbed. And chlorophyll is that which magnesium complex it present in that plant. Hemoglobin is present in iron in that blood. Cryolite is a mineral aluminum complex. Okay, type of inorganic salts. What are the types? We have to be classified three types. One is that simple salt, another one is a double salt, third one is that coordination compound, or complex salt. What is that? First, simple salt means what? What is that meaning? Simple salt. Simple salt means one basic radical and one acidic radical combined. Simple salt means one basic radical. Okay, now write. Simple salt have to be classified into one. What is the meaning? Simple salt means one basic radical, one acidic radical combined. That is called a simple salt. One basic radical and another one is that, and one acidic radical are made up of form that simple salt. What are the examples? Example, common salt. Common salt means sodium chloride, Na plus, one acidic, one basic radical. Another one is the copper sulfate, 2 minus charge plus 2 charge. Next one is the sodium nitrate, Na plus, NO3 minus. Okay, another one is that double salt. What is that double salt means? There are two definitions are there. For rarely use that tube, two simple salt combine. This compound made up of two simple salts. Which is two simple salts. They are stable in that solid state. Because why they are stable in solid state? Why they are stable in solid state? Because of that broken in the individual compound. They are broken into that individual compound. When they are dissolved, so they are dissolved in water, and hence the solution give that reactant of all the ions. Hence solution give the reactant of all the ions present in the solution. All the ions present. Hence the solution give the reactant of all the ions present in them. Okay, what is that? Another definitions are that what is a double salt means the molecular which exist only in that crystalline state but lose their identity in their solution state, and that solution answers the test for all the constituents from which they are the form called double salt. This is a simple. Why this a simple salt? Another one is that the molecular compounds which exist only in the crystalline state, only in the crystalline state, but lose their identity, in solution state. And that solution is answer the test. That solution is answer the test for all the constituent ions. That solution is a constitution of the all the ions from which they have formed. Constitution of the all the ions and at which they are formed. It's called as a double salt. Just look at that example. One is a potash alum. What is the formula? K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice and 24 water molecule. Next one is more salt. More salt also made up of the two simple salts. More salt. What is that? More salt formula FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 6 water molecule. Next one is at carnallite or carnallite. Formula KCl MgCl2 and 6 water molecule. Carnallite. Look at that more salt complex. They are the two simple salt combined. They have formed the one salt. This is called as the double salt. Which one is that? FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4. They both are combining. One salt will be formed. Even also we have to look at this compound potassium alum. Okay, this one is that one is a simple salt, another one is a simple salt. Both are combining and that form the one salt. This is called another. And look at this carnallite. Is that potassium chloride and magnesium chloride combining they form that salt is called as double salt. Okay, third example is a third type, which one is that complex salt or coordination compound. What is that? A complex salt. Complex salt means these are the compound containing at least one complex ion, which a central metal ion surrounded by the certain number of ions or molecule to the coordinate bond. What is that? These are the compound. These are compounds containing at least one complex ion. At least one complex ion in which a central metal ion surrounded by the central metal ion surrounded by the certain number of ions. Ions or molecule through the coordinate bond. Okay, another definition is that what is the property behind that? Complex salt means what? This molecule, the molecular crystalline compound, or another one is the molecular crystalline compound which retain their identity, their identity in both in solids and solution state. That complex salt. Okay, the molecular crystalline compound which retain their identity in both solid state and at solution state. This is called as a complex salt. They have to take the retain their identity, both cases, solid and solution. Okay, next one is that these are the compound containing that at least one complex ion, a central metal ion. This is central metal ion surrounded by the certain number of ions or molecules. We have to be understand by the example through. Just look at that example. Cuprammonium sulfate. Cuprammonium sulfate. Okay, this is a cuprammonium sulfate. The reaction through, first look at that. Equilibrium form is a complex ion CuNH3 4 2 plus charge ion plus SO4 2 minus. Next one is that cuprammonium complex. Cuprammonium ion is at a cation, and sulfate, cuprammonium sulfate is at a cation. Both are cation. Cupra ion. Okay, cuprammonium sulfate and a cuprammonium. These two are that complex cation. These two are the complex cation. Okay, another one is that next example, potassium ferrocyanide K4 FeCN6. Potassium ferrocyanide is an anionic complex 4K plus FeCN6 4 minus. These are the anionic complex anion. This also anion and that complex also anion. This is for the complex is an anionic complex. This one is a cationic complex. What is that complex? An ion means what? What is a? We have to call the complex ion. Why it is called that a complex ion? Complex ion means a electrical charged particle which contain the central metal and surrounded by the certain number of molecules. It means the certain number of molecules are present. Electrical charge particle which contain the certain central metal and surrounded by the certain number of molecules. Okay, just important term we have to be discuss about that coordination chemistry. First one is that complex ion. Complex metal ion. Okay, I have to tell that complex ion means what? The central metal ion, which is a neutral. Just write down. One or more neutral molecule or anion are attached to help the coordinate bond. Cation which one or more neutral molecule or ion attached to help of coordinate bond. The cation in which cation to which one or more neutral molecule or anion attached with the help of coordinate bond. It is called a central metal ion, complex metal ion or central. The cation which one or more neutral molecule or anion are attached with the help of coordinate bond. This is called the central metal. Example, this is a complex K1, K4Fe, CN6. This is central metal ion. He said central metal ion. Which one is a central metal ion? Fe. First two is the central metal ion. Next one is that CuNH4 SO4. CuNH4 SO4. Which one is a central metal ion? Copper. Plus 2 charge. And next important term. One is that central metal ion. The cation to which one or more neutral molecule or anion are attached with the help of coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is called central metal ion. Which one is the central metal? For that is a complex. This is the central metal ion. Next one is a ligand. Next term, important term, is called ligand. What is the definition? A neutral molecule anion which is capable of donating the one or more lone pair of electrons. A neutral molecule or anion or which is capable, these are capable capable of donating one or more lone pair of electrons, one or more lone pair of electron to a neutral metal atom, to a neutral atom and establishes a coordinate bond. This is called as a ligand. Ligand have to be, for the ligand having that lone pair of electrons are there, it means called as a donor atoms. For example, okay, you have to be classified donor atom present in the coordination compound. Just we have to be follow that some examples, classifications of ligand. Neutral molecule or anion, which is capable of donating the lone pair of one or more lone pair of electrons to a neutral metal ion or atoms. Okay, classification of ligands. Okay, ligands are dependent upon the donor atoms. Donating one or more lone pair of electrons, ligands are dependent upon the donor atom. We have to be classified into, one is that monodendrite ligand. Mono means single electrons are donated, or another name is unidendrite. What is that, monodendrite or unidendrite? A ligand which contains that one donor atoms. There is a ligand containing one donor atom. Or thus donate one pair of electrons. Thus donate the one pair of electrons. For a coordinate metal ion, for a coordinate metal ion, example ammonia, the neutral mono. First example, neutral monodendrite ligand, ammonia. Ammonia means amine. This is how many one lone pair of electrons are donated. This is called water molecule. Water, it means called aqua, carbonyl, nitrosyl, pyridine. Look at that, pyridine is an example. One lone pair of electrons are donated. Next one is that anionic monodendrite ligand. This is a neutral monodendrite. There are no charge. Another one is that anionic monodendrite ligand. Anionic this anionic monodendrite ligand example, CNM minus cyano is a fluoro, hydroxo, nitro. Okay, another one is a cationic. This is a naming. How to be named first? This one name cyano. This one named fluoro. This one is named nitro. Nitrato, NO2 minus means nitro. NO. NO3 means minus. NO2 means nitro. NO3 means nitrato. Okay, cationic monodentate ligand. Nitrosonium. And at hydrazine.